Good morning, grade twos, and welcome to coding on this very cold morning here by us. I hope you guys are nice and warm this morning. I comment about the weather every morning because I either sit here under a blanket because I'm so cold, or I look at the beautiful sunshine outside over the ocean. So today I'm not seeing any sunshine. It's very cold here. I hope you guys are nice and warm. It's the 9th of July today. My name is Mrs. de Klerk and I am your coding teacher. We are going to continue with programming in Harvester today. And we will be doing puzzle 15 and then 2 bonus puzzles. Right, for those of you who've handed in homework, a big shout out to you, Shane and Aurora. I received your work in my email, Leviwe and Oritabasitse. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, so forgive me if I'm not, but you can see your name there. If I've missed anyone, just send me a message or send me another email. And then when you guys send your homework in to me, please just tell me which grade you are on. Okay, then it's easier for me to check or put all of the grades together. So yes, very, very well done to the 4 of you. Here we go. Right, this was the homework that you had to do. You did lesson 5, programming in Harvester, puzzle 14. There is the picture and here is the correct code. Remember, when you move south, you are moving down. And every single time that you move onto corn, you need to pick it. Later on, you will see, let me just change to a pen here. Later on, you will see that this number is going to change maybe to a 2 or a 3, and then you need to put 2 or 3 pick blocks there or a repeat block. So here's the code. Move south, pick 1, move south, pick 1, move west, pick 1. Okay, so all of those of you who sent in this puzzle, you all got it right. Some of you sent in of the previous homework, and I checked all of that for you. Okay, we are quickly going to practice on our map here. How will you get from the pirate ship to the treasure? I just want to quickly see something. Before we do that, let's review our directions. Remember yesterday I told you guys you have to do it faster than me, okay? And then all of you said you are so much faster than me. So today I'm going to say it really fast so you can still test to see if you know your directions. So let's start. Move north. Ha, did you guys beat me or was I first? Move east. Move south. Move west. Move northeast. Move southeast. Move southwest. Move northwest. Okay, I said it much faster today, so I hope at least once or twice I beat you guys and I was faster than you. Oh, I said we're going to first do the map, right? There we go. Let's see in the chat box. Leviwe, was I faster? Inati, was I faster? All of you are saying no. Were you guys faster than me? Ha. So tomorrow, tomorrow I'll have to do it even faster. Ah, tomorrow I'm not going to show you the direction so that I can see it, say it before you can see it. Okay. In our map, I want you to code for me or tell me how can we get from here, do you see the red dot is on the pirate, to the treasure here. So I want you to code from this red dot to the treasure. Okay, so you're going to have to tell me, you can use either road. You can go this way and then north, or let me erase that. you can go up this way, right? And then if you want to, if you forgot your directions, here's a compass for you. Remember, you can see north, west, south, and east. Okay. So let's quickly erase this as well. I'm going to ask one of you. Yes, you guys are way too fast for me. I'm going to have to practice this a little bit more. Okay. I want you to put up your hand. Oops, sorry. If you can, just hold on. I made a mistake here. I want you to put up your hand if you can code this for me quickly. Nakisha, I'm going to unmute on my side. Nakisha, can you unmute on your side?
Yes.
Okay, how are you? Is this your first day in coding or have you done coding with me before?
Before.
Okay. No, because I don't recognize your name. Is your name Nakisha?
Yes.
Okay. Nakisha, can you help me to code this? How are we going to move? Which direction?
North.
Okay, so we're going up north. How many steps?
2.
2. 1, 2. This is where you will end up. What do you want to do next?
East.
East. This way. How many steps?
Once.
There we go. Where do you want to go now?
Straight up.
Okay, which direction is straight up?
North 2.
North. Do you want to go twice? Do you want to go 2 times?
Yes.
1, 2. So you are here now. Remember, you need to get to this dot, okay?
East.
Okay, how many steps?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
South.
South.
Southwest.
There we go. And then?
West once.
There we go. Very, very well done. Okay, I am going to mute you again, Nakisha. And you are right. This is the road that Nakisha took. Wait, why are you still? Sorry, let me just quickly mute you again. Sorry. Okay, this is the road that Nakisha took, and you can use that to code. Okay, you can use any road that you want. Remember, all your coding is not going to look the same. As long as you find your objective, and the objective for this puzzle is to get from the pirate ship to the treasure. So it doesn't matter if your coding, if everyone's coding is different, as long as you get to the treasure, it doesn't matter which road you took. Okay, I see a lot of hands that are up here. Let me just quickly see. Aurora, do you want to ask a question? You can unmute. Hi,
No.
Aurora.
Hi.
Sorry? Hi, do you want to ask a question?
No thanks.
Okay, I'm going to lower your hand and mute you, okay? Abichi, I'm going to unmute you.
Yes,
Abichi, are you there? Hi, do you want to ask a question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am.
Abichi, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am,
Yes?
the cutting, I did it.
Okay. Are you speaking about this map here or yesterday's homework?
This map.
Yesterday's homework. And did I put your name on the slideshow, Abichi? Are you telling me that you did your homework, but I didn't put your name on? Okay, I'm going to check my emails, okay? Did you send it to me on email? Okay, I'm going to check it and then I'll put your name on tomorrow. Thank you for telling me, Ubichi. Okay, so tomorrow look out for your golden star, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Leviwe, you want to ask something? I'm unmuting. You can unmute on your side. Hi, Leviwe, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, do you want to ask something?
Yes, I can get the mermaid all the way from up there all the way down to the treasure.
Okay, tell me how. Remember, you are starting down here on the pirate ship.
Okay.
Okay, which way will you go?
I will go east.
How many steps?
7 steps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. And from here?
North.
How many
3
steps? That was an easy code. Very well done, Leviwe. You guys see what Leviwe did? Is only twice, only 2 lines. So that was the easier code to write. Very, very well done. So Leviwe also got to the treasure just with a different path, maybe an easier path with less blocks. So here would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 east blocks, but you could have used a repeat code there. And for the north one, you could have used a repeat code as well. So very well done. Okay, Wesley, I am going to unmute you. You can unmute on your side. Wesley, are you there?
Yes,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Do you want to ask something or do you want to code the
I wanna
treasure
go.
map? Okay. Which way will you go if you start on this red dot? Can you code for me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me
East.
where to go. East, how many steps?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then? Wesley, from
North.
here? Yes, how many steps?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wesley, do you see what happened here? You went over the red dot,
Yes.
so I would have moved 3. Very, very well done. Wesley, guys, you can see that Wesley also coded this one, the same as Leviwe, with only 2 lines. Okay. Right, I see a lot of hands that are still up. I am going to give one more person a chance to speak, and then I am going to ask the rest of you when we go to the coding platform to answer the questions. Okay. This one says Antoinette, but I don't think that's your name. Can you unmute? Okay, hi. What's your name?
My name is Lamar, ma'am.
Sorry, say again.
My name is Lamar.
Lamar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lamar, can you please code for me, or did you want to ask another question?
I'll code for you, ma'am.
Okay, let me just erase this quickly. Okay, you can start here at the bottom.
So you must go
Yes. Which way?
3 north,
1, 2, 3 north. Yes.
and then
Yeah.
7 east, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Thank you so much, Lamar. Guys, do you see what just happened here? It's just the other way around. Most of you took this path, but now it's again 2 straight lines. Okay, I'm going to go over to the next slide, but I will ask those of you who raised your hands, questions on the coding platform. Let's quickly, we've already done this. Let's quickly look at puzzle 15. Quickly look at that. Okay, we need to help the harvester, or you need to help the harvester to pick the corn. Now remember, you are going to use this block to pick corn once the harvester gets to it. So it's not the same as BB8 where you just slide over something, over the metal, and he picks it up. This time you need to use the pick block. So don't forget about that, okay? So this is also fairly easy, very much the same as you just coded on the puzzle. Your harvester can move this direction and pick, but then it has to go down and pick, south and pick, south and pick. And this part can be in a repeat block. Okay. So I'm not going to ask you to code it for me now. I'm going to ask you when we go over to code.org to code. So I'm just showing you what is waiting for you. Then this is a bonus puzzle, but I believe you guys might have done this before. So today is your chance to practice it again, or maybe it's a little bit different. Now there are two solutions to this puzzle. You can choose for your Angry Bird to go this way, or you can choose for it to go this way. Okay, now the blocks they've given us is east. Now if you move east and you move south, what's going to happen? A big explosion. So we will run that code that they gave us. Okay, we'll run the code that they gave us to see what happens if we end up on the TNT box, and then we have to debug it. So we have to take away some blocks and add some new ones to get our bird to the pig. Right, and then the next bonus puzzle, you have to trace the path to lead the bird to the pig, and again be careful of the TNT. So this one, it's always a good idea to trace with your finger to show exactly where you are going. Okay, so this is the path you will be coding. Be careful that you don't run into this, so don't turn too quick. Or here, be careful of this TNT box. Don't turn too late. So let's see who of you can do this. I am going to change my screen and go to code.org, and then I will put the link for you guys in the chat box. Okay, there we go. This is puzzle 14. I think what you guys, what did I say that you need to do? Let me quickly just look at my other screen. You guys need to do puzzle 15 and the bonus puzzles. Okay, so 14 we'll quickly look at, and then we will move on to puzzle 15. I'm copying it in your chat box right now. You'll see it just now. The viewer is already in. There you go for the rest of you. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute or so just to click on that and to get your screens ready. Okay, I see Bitchy is in, Lami is in, Aurora is in, Leviwe is in, what you were in already. Okay. Remember, you guys, if you want to go make a profile for yourself, code.org is a free platform. You can ask your parents to help you, and then you can sign in by yourself anytime that you want to code. You can go code, okay? Right, let's quickly do number 14 together. This was your homework, right? So she needs to move, and pick. So who of you, let me see whose hands were up before that I didn't ask. Oreta Bisitse. Again, I don't know if I'm saying your name right. Can you tell me your
Yes,
name again? Am I saying it right?
it's Uritabisitse.
You see, you have to help me every time. Oreta Bisitse. Okay,
Yes, teacher.
thank you. Okay, can you quickly help me to code this one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what should I do first?
You need two south and pick, and one south and pick, and west and pick.
Okay, let's quickly see if it's working. Let's run it. There we go. And perfect. I think all of you guys got that one right yesterday when you did it for homework. Thank you very much. Your coding was 100%. Okay, I am now going to continue to puzzle 15. This is our new puzzle for today. Let me just make it a bit bigger on my side. Okay, now you see that the harvester needs to walk to the corn and pick it and then walk in a different direction. You will see a number 1 next to it every time. So it means you only need to pick one corn. There is only one. Okay, so here we have a repeat block: west, east, south, and north. Okay, I'm going to see whose hands. Oh, I have a lot of hands that are up. Okay, I'm going to start with the top here. Nikisha, I'm going to unmute you. Nikisha, hi. Do you want to code for me? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you code for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Where should we go first?
We must go twice.
East. 1, 2. Okay. And then?
Pick.
Sorry?
We must pick.
Okay. Got it. And then from there?
South. Once.
South. Twice.
Once.
Once. Okay. And now?
Now pick.
Very good. So how many times are we going to do that? Go south and pick.
4.
Okay, look here. You say 4, you are almost right. But this one was east, east, pick. So so we've already picked this one. So there will be 3 left. So we are going to go south and pick 3 times. So Nikisha, do you know that we can use a repeat block? Do you know what a repeat block is? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to put your last code in a repeat block, okay? And let's run it to see if it's working. There we go. East, east, and pick. South, pick, south, pick, south, pick. And perfect. Very, very well done. Okay, Nikisha, I'm going to mute you again. Very well done. I see so many hands up here. So I'm going to try and give all of you a chance, okay? Because after this, we have the 2 bonus puzzles. So I'm going to maybe give Lami a chance here and then the rest of you a chance on the bonus puzzles. Lami, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want to code for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you can go. Tell me what to do.
I need you to do east twice.
East twice. There we go. Okay.
Pick.
Pick. Okay.
And then south pick.
South and pick. Okay.
South pick.
South pick. Yes.
And the last south pick.
And again, south pick. Okay. Is your code finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, let's run it. Very well done. It's perfect. Okay, now you guys see that
I
this
know.
one. Huh? Yeah.
I know this one because I passed it already.
Ah, see, now you can think faster. So it's always good to do something twice. Very
Yes.
well done, Lami. You see here that this code looks a little bit different than the previous one, simply because we didn't put a repeat. But now you can see there's a pattern here. South pick, south pick, south pick. So the same thing is happening 3 times. That's why I put a repeat block on the previous one. So you guys can choose. You can either do the longer code, or you can just use a repeat block if you see that something is doing the same steps over and over and over. Okay. Taylor, you also have the answer. Well done. Let me just quickly see, where are you? Because I can't see your hand. Taylor, why is your hand not on your name not on here? Oh, because it's a different name, right? Oh, there's Taylor. Okay, Taylor, next time if you want to ask a question, just raise, there's a little hand sign that you can press. Then I know you want to answer, okay? Okay, guys, let's move on. I'm going to run it one more time so that we can, oopsie, now unused, sorry. So that we can just move on to the next puzzle. And there she goes. This is a very happy harvester because she got all of her corn. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Here we have the bonus level. For those of you who don't have your own profile on code.org, I am just copying this. If you want to go back to the bonus puzzle later, when I am not here anymore, it will be in the chat. So let me just put it there. You can copy that and you can go back to this puzzle later. Okay. So now it says debug this level. Remove the extra blocks and add the missing blocks. Get the bird to the pig. Let me just make your puzzle bigger. Okay. So the code says east, south, south, east, east, north, north. Now I can already see a problem there, but let's see what happens when I press run. East. Oh no. Oh no. Aha. It blew up and there goes our bird. Oh no. So let's press reset. So we see already here's a problem. If you go east this way and then south, that is for sure a problem. So we are going to have to remove the east block. Okay. So let's do that. Let's throw that east block away. Let's see what happens if we run the code now. South, south, east, east, north. Oh, and again. Oh my goodness. Now I am going to ask one of you, please, to help me to write the proper code. So you can use this and tell me what do I need to throw away and what do I need to add. If you want me to press the step button, you can ask that as well, just to see where we are. So let's see who put up their hands. Okay. I see. I'm going to ask Ubichi first. Ubichi, you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, what do I need to change in this code first?
Have to change.
Is this one right? Is the south and the south, is it right?
Yes. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Not.
Mm-mm.
What should they be?
They should be south, south, east, 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 and
So
north
another east.
and north.
Okay, so let's try it. This is the code you put in. So let's see what the Angry Bird does. East, 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 and north, north, and perfect. Bichi, very, very well done. You got it right. Well done. Okay, guys, I'm going to give someone else a chance, but now I'm going to throw away all of the code. So now you can code the Angry Bird to the pig, and you can choose any way. You can go the top, you can start going north, or you can continue to go south. It's up to you. So you have to write the code now, okay? The next one I am going to ask, Livui, I'm going to ask you just now. Just hang on, let me, there was someone else's hand up just now. Someone who hasn't answered before, but now you took your hand down. So I am going to ask Aurora. Aurora, are you there?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to code this one for me?
Yes, please.
Okay. You can go ahead. What should I do?
North.
Okay, so you are going the other way now. Yes, north, and then?
North. Is that 2 more north blocks, I think.
Okay, so that's 1, 2. And then?
One more, I think.
Yes, I think so too. Well done. Now you guys see in this puzzle, we can't use a repeat block because there is no repeat block. So we have to use what they give us. Okay, Aurora, and now you've gone north, north, north. And which direction do we need to go now?
East, the same thing. 3 times.
East, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we will be standing here.
Okay, then south 3 times.
I think your code is going to work. Let's test it quickly. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Run, Angry Bird. Aha, there it goes. It's going east. It's going south. And Aurora, perfect. Your code is working very, very well done. Okay, guys, I am moving on to the next bonus puzzle because our time is running out. And then you guys can code it for me. Let me make it bigger. Now this one, it says trace the path to lead the bird to the pig and avoid the TNT. Okay, so you obviously have to go this way, this way, this way, and then down. So Leviwe, I'm going to unmute you first. Leviwe, can you give me the first 3 steps only? Are you there? Leviwe, hi.
Ma'am,
Yes, I can hear you.
I had to take out my headset all the time.
Okay, that's fine. Can you give me the first 3 steps? I'm only going to ask you for the first 3 steps because there are a lot of hands that are up that needs to also speak.
Hey, it's
Okay.
it's south, 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 south. No, I mean east, west, west, west.
Aha, there we go. That sounds better. Because south, south, south would have gone
I
down,
was
right?
thinking of a different puzzle that I did.
Okay. I sometimes do that too. Don't worry. Okay, Leviwe, thank you very much. So Leviwe has given us the first 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to ask Mogetwa. I'm going to unmute on my side. Mogetwa, can you unmute on your side? You have to press the unmute button on your side to speak. No? Okay, then I'm going to ask Nikisha. Nikisha, can you unmute?
Ma'am.
Oh, Mogetwa,
Ma'am.
okay, you unmuted. Oh, Nikisha, I'm going to mute you again. I'm going to ask you just now. Is your name Mogetwa? What's your name? Ah, there you muted yourself. Oh, no. Okay, Nikisha, now I am going to unmute you. You can unmute on your side. Thank you. Okay, Nikisha, can you tell me if we have moved west 3 times, where will we go now?
3 south.
Good. 1, 2, 3. Very well done. Okay, Nikisha, I'm going to mute you again to give someone else a chance. Guys, if you want to answer, you need to raise your hand, okay? Because then if I see your hand is raised, I see you want to say something. Let's, okay, I see a lot of people now taking away their hands. Mohetwa, you are raising and taking it away. Let's see if I can unmute you again. Are you there? Can you unmute on your side?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you quickly help me out here? We have moved west, west, and west, and we have moved south and south. Oopsie, and maybe too many souths. But where do we need to go from here, or do we need to change something? Are you there? Okay. It seems like I have lost you. Okay, so I am going to ask Lamar if you will help me out here. You can unmute on your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where should we go now? Is this right? Or should I change something?
You must take 1 south away.
Okay, very good. And then from there, we will be here. Which direction now?
North.
North. Remember, north is going up. You want to go to the pig. So what is this direction?
East. Go.
There we go. Go east. How many times?
Once.
If you go once, you will be here. So you are going to need to go one more time so that you are right above the pig, okay?
And then
Yes?
south once.
Very good. Good. Let's quickly see if this code is working. Let's try it. There goes the Angry Bird. And south and east and south. And we did it fantastic, you guys. Okay. We are going to stop here because our time is running out. So you guys, tomorrow we are going to start with a new lesson. Okay. And this is what we will be doing in our lesson. We are going to start with lesson 6, loops in Ice Age. And this is Scrat. So we will be working with Scrat. You guys do not have homework for tomorrow. So you have a free day, or you can just play on code.org if you want. And here is my email if you want to ask any questions. Unfortunately, I cannot ask any questions anymore because we have gone over our time. But I will see all of you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll go a little bit slower so that more of you can get a chance to code. Okay, you guys enjoy your day very much, and I will see all of you tomorrow. Banalo, you are saying you did not see Angry Bird, you saw Harvester. We are in the Harvester puzzle, but the 2 bonus puzzles. There's after the last puzzle, there's always 2 bonus puzzles. And I don't know if you guys can access that, but I can. And that is where they put in the Angry Bird with the Harvester. Okay, that's where I got that. Right, you guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.